Okay, my dear students, first and foremost, the flow of my lecture will be, I will first let you know what the syllabus is. You must have already seen the syllabus. Of course, I won't be just reading the syllabus, but I will be letting you know like what type of questions we asked in the exam on some of the topics. And then you see we have a very vast syllabus, right? Now, what exactly do we need to study? In what direction we need to study, right? And what type of tricks that we can use, okay, so that we are able to solve our problems in very less time. Because you know that in all competitive exams, this time management is very important. And you see that when we have such a vast syllabus, we have what are called as a traditional methods, right? That is how you do it in your theory papers. You keep, solving it and where you have marks for your steps. But remember one thing, at the same time, for these competitive exams, the most important thing is that you have to know those tricks so that you can just solve the problems in fraction of seconds. And then you see, you don't have to just solve one problem. You have to solve, mathematics is going to be just one part of your GATE exam, right? And you have other subjects also which are included in your GATE exam. So it is not that you have to only keep solving mathematics problems. So that is why it is very important for you to know what shortcut tricks that we can use to solve the problems. And yes, we have the CESA GATE Academy of Pune, who will give you this right direction, the right training, the right way that you can study so that you're able to solve these questions in very less time. Now, the flow of my lecture, as I said, will be I'll be letting you know the syllabus, and I will just not read each and every word of the syllabus. I won't waste my time in that. And I will take one small mathematical topic, that is eigenvalues and eigenvectors. And I will let you know that, say, bhai, eigenvalues, eigenvectors, you have already studied in your first year engineering. Okay. I guess there may be even some students who have taken admission, who have come direct diploma, like after second year. I mean, directly they've been admitted in the second year without going to the first year. Okay. And for them, mathematics is really the weak point. They are all, I should say technically strong, but mathematics is, they are weak at mathematics. So I will just take the small topic of eigenvalues, eigenvectors, assuming that कि भाई आपको आइगन वैल्यू क्या है आपको पता नहीं है, आइगन वेक्टर क्या है ये पता नहीं है. एक लेमैन की जिसको मैथमेटिक्स आता नहीं है उसको भी समझ में आ सकता है कि what is an eigenvalue, eigenvector. I will just explain in very simple layman terms. And ये मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि भाई मैथमेटिकल वे में आप कैसे सॉल्व करते हो, जो टिपिकल ट्रेडिशनल वे है which takes lot of time to solve, and वही problems how you can just use small tricks and get the answer in fractions of a second. Right? So let me start with the syllabus. You have linear algebra, which is matrix algebra, system of linear equations, eigenvectors. Yes, we do have problems. After going through all the GATE question papers, you will observe that without fail, you have problems on eigenvalues, eigenvectors, system of linear equations. Then coming to the calculus part, yes, you do have problems on limits, continuity. Then yes, Taylor series, partial derivatives, then directional derivatives, right? So problems are asked on all these subtopics. Next. Ordinary differential equations, you must have already having the syllabus, you must have gone through the syllabus, because if you're really interested in giving the GATE syllabus, I'm sure at least roughly you must have gone through the syllabus. So I'm not here to read the syllabus, but just a glimpse कि ये topics है, and आपने ये सभी topics already study कर लिए हैं आपके first year और engineering में and second year engineering में. So you have ordinary differential equations, first orders, higher order. Then you have your partial differential equations, where Fourier series, one-dimensional heat flow, wave equation. Yes, very important, probability and statistics, as just now, sir has just given you a glimpse of what type of problems are there on probability. Then we have descriptive statistics. We have the probability distributions. Then yes, numerical methods. So on all these topics, you are asked questions on, right? So आपने एक बात ऑब्जर्व की होगी, भाई इतना सारा सिलेबस है, how is it possible to cover so much of syllabus in just less time? So this is where your skill is required. How to study, at the same time get the knowledge, and at the same time be able to crack problems using shortcut methods. And that is what I am going to highlight